Welcome once again, say student. Now we are going to continue the sector of the Indian economy, part 3. In India, basically the sectors or control on the industries divide in two sectors. India is the republic and democratic country. Public sector or public control is more, but some of the industries under the hand of the private sector. For an example, Reliance, Mahindra, and others, the example Tisco, SAIL, these are the under the control of the government sector. Government given the benefit to the peoples and they are going for welfare of peoples, but private sector, of course, the main objective is that earning the profit. Government wanted to create more and more job, but private sector only they wanted to be more and more production, and they get better and better profit. Now that is also increasing the NDP and GDP. Small jobs in India, generally peoples are involved in work like doing repair work, landless labor, weavers, blacksmith, laborers, engage in the construction work, painter, plumber, mason, carpenter. These are the person. They do not issue any appointment letter. They are working now in the private sectors and their work, but it is not achieved this person and they did not get the benefit of the governments. Whatever they have to be done for the production and only they have to be consumed now. For the government, they make the policy for them, poor class peoples. They wanted to give more jobs, and a large number of people are working in the unorganized sector. The job opportunities in the unorganized sector are not increasing. Peoples are compelled to join unorganized sector, and this sector pay very low salary and does not follow the rules, regulation and law which protect the workers. For an example, I show you like here some of the peoples they are involved unorganized sectors, farmers, sharecroppers, weavers, blacksmith. About 80% of people come in small and marginal farmer category in rural areas. Casual worker, trade, transport worker, worker of small scale industries, pickers, head and load workers, vendors comprise unorganized sector in urban areas. Government given on the more job on the basis of benefit of SC and ST and backward class who face social discrimination. Government wanted to increase the more and more job, but private sector they wanted to increase their profit only. Here I show you private sector was allowed to establish industries and business, but subject to industrial licensing control and regulation. The main objective of the public sector help rapid economic development, industrialization of the country, create employment opportunities, remove regional disparities. For some of the example, Indian Railway, Indian Postal Services, Bharat Sanchar Nigam, MTNL, National Thermal Power Corporation, Indian Oil Corporation, Delhi Transport Corporation. Government want to be limited the private sectors, and main motto is that increase the more and more jobs for the people. Some example others which are given: Tata, Birla, Reliance, Modi include in this category of the private enterprises or private sector. Hindustan Lever Limited, Maruti Udyog, Reliance Industries, Atlas Cycle Industries, Tata Iron and Steel, Corporation Tisco, Modi Threads, Asian Painter are some example of such enterprises. Large private limited companies also come under the category. It means these are the sector which are given the more and more employment to the Indians people. Quality of human resources basically dependable on the peoples and what the 5 years planning for benefit. Role of education in human resource and development. The prime factor in human resource development is education and training. For an example, today production method have changed, silk development has become big issue with regarded to unemployment. Higher productivity means higher profitability for the organization. If skillful persons are there, then the more and more development increase the production. The national policy on education, government given the free cost of the education and through the various purpose and making and construction of many schools and others activities. The main agenda of the government, they wanted to remove the illiteracy and commitment to make a primary education free and compulsory up to 5th standard. Gross enrollment GER indicate the proportion of children in 6 to 14 years age group actually enroll elementary school. For this, government given the benefit to the children and they given the and support the students for their education, and the right of children to free and compulsory education act 2009 provide for free compulsory education for all the children of the age of 6 to 14 years. It is in the 12th planning. Now you have to be seen number of the institution of higher education enrollment and faculty. Government open the IIMs, IITs and SPS, School of Planning Architectures. For the SC, ST and OBC, government given the reservation and the students they get the education. Literacy rate in India, you have to be seen it is growing in 2011. For reasons, country, low income countries, middle income countries, high income countries. Illiteracy of adults in the world is 15 and above. So you have to be seen about the 29% male and 53 female in India. Generally India is the country middle income countries in the group. Women's education like NPEZL, National Program for Education of Girls of Elementary Level, and under the here SC and ST female literacy below 10%, it also be implemented in select urban slums, and with the NPEZL increase the women education. For this, number of the schools and colleges are set up for the women and girls. Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya KGBV. Role of health in India, and it is also the for the development. housing facilities given by the government to the peoples. Now you have to be seen, this is to the sector of elementary education, primary and healthcare, nutrition, water supply, welfare and development of the backward class, and programs for the development of the women's children, etc. and SC/ST. Government help to these peoples and providing the housing system, and present time governments is also given the house to the poor class people, SC and ST. Government want to be make the welfare for the peoples of the country. It means rule of the government is more important in the countries like India.